Exodus happened in America. Moses grew up in Egypt, the real Egypt. The Nile in Africa does not match the biblical Nile. It flowed into the Egyptian Sea. Look, and it is supposed to have 7 tributaries. The Nile of today does not. And America has much more pyramids. The Bible states that there were over 600,000 military-aged men roaming through Egypt in Exodus, which means there were millions of people if you include the wives, the children, and the elderly. Yet there is no evidence of this in modern-day Egypt. California is depicted as an island in all the older maps, and the California or Baja Sea is called the Red Sea. The Jesuit maps depict California as a peninsula by 1698. California finally looks how it appears on the maps today by the 1770s. California cannot return to its natural state due to all the dams and levees. Egypt is Hamite land. Mitzrayim is a son of Ham. Hamite land stretched from the Mississippi River to the west coast. When Moses split the Red Sea, he was leading the Israelites into California, aka Canaan, the son of Ham. Canaan had 11 sons. Sidon is Sedona. Phoenicians are from Phoenix. Sedona and Phoenix were on the coast of the Red Sea. The Red Sea of today is the Arabian Gulf. Look, the Hittite Canaanites were from Canada, or Canada, as you can see here. These are Hittites. These are Hittites. They will die with the lie that this is their land. After the Israelites cross over the Red Sea, they stop in Elim for water. California has thousands of springs. Then they reach Mount Sinai, which is ironically near Joshua Tree. The first 5 books of the Bible are the books of Moses. Then Joshua takes over after the death of Moses. The Canaanites crossbred with the Nephilim, the fallen angels, which produced the Anakim and Rephaim, which were hybrids. Half giant, half human, like Goliath or King Og. Joshua and the Israelites failed to completely wipe out the giants and Canaanites. Some of these giants and Canaanites were very skilled and had iron chariots. Maybe they were tanks of some sort. And not all of them were evil. The Southwest has recovered the most giant skeletons. Giants are the descendants of the Nephilim or fallen angels, Los Angeles. This giant was found in Southern California and was acknowledged and purchased by the Smithsonian. It was discarded as a fake even though they bought it after scientists examined it. There were dozens of findings, if not hundreds. Look, Western America has the most on Earth. See? That's why there was the Isle of Gigante. That's why Ezion Geber means giant backbone. The oldest and tallest cedars are in the Northwest. The cedars were sent from King Hiram to Solomon to build the temple. Hiram was up here. It makes sense to float the trees down the Red Sea. This only makes sense in American geography. This doesn't. That's why this was found in Brazil. Cedars in modern Lebanon are too small and too forked for lumber. Look, these are perfect. California has the oldest trees, though one was cut down by mistake, as well as the largest trees on Earth. These are mentioned in Isaiah. Look, do you see? And Hosea. America is the old world. There are no pyramids on African maps until almost 1600.